Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video for you today to share a product that I found on eBay to address a common problem on the YD series Kia Cerato, Forte and K3. Now the issue concerns the dials on the HVAC and the head unit, which have a chrome plastic finish which wears off over time through general use and the use perhaps of more abrasive cleaners, which we try to avoid. Now the HVAC unit has been replaced under warranty a couple of years ago because most of this chrome trim had flaked off and it was looking pretty awful. And because you can't remove and replace these knobs or dials individually, the whole HVAC needs to be replaced. So it's basically an entire unit. The head unit was replaced under warranty because the service department claimed that the knobs could not be removed. That's not true. The knobs can be removed and replaced. You can buy these as individual parts through Kia Spare Parts, which indeed I did last week. So this one was $20, so they're not cheap. But yeah, they just push on. Well, you can pull them off and then just push them on. And because this knob was here, I put it onto the volume knob because it was the older one, and I put the brand new one onto the tune because you don't really use the tuning knob as much as the volume knob. In fact, you don't really use either because you have the steering wheel controls. But anyway, that was my logic. Now, the product that I've got is to hopefully preserve what's left of the chrome because they're still in pretty good condition. But in my opinion, this is one of the dumbest things I've ever seen, to put a finish like this, which is not durable, on such a high traffic touch point. On the BD series, which came after this car, it's just a solid plastic knob or dial. There's no finish applied to it, so there's no risk of anything wearing off, which is a much better way to do it, even though arguably it doesn't look as nice as this. So this does look a little bit more premium with the chrome finish, but yeah, when it wears off, it loses all that premium look, obviously. There's also, well, there was a chrome finish applied to this strip between the buttons, and because that was flaking off quite badly, I just completely removed it. So it looks a little bit better now. Now onto the product. So these are called HVAC control rings. I'll put the details into the description. They're made of aluminium and they come in a few different colors. This one's obviously silver, but they come in blue and red. Sadly not black. I would have preferred black just because I think it would have blended in a little bit better. These are going to stand out a little bit more, but yeah, they're made of aluminium and they have a little mark, which you can probably see. I'll get them out of the packet so that you can line it up with the red mark there, so you still have the illumination coming through. So yeah, I'll get these out of the packet, show you what they look like, and then we'll pop them on and see how it looks. So here it is out of the packet. You've got the clear section there, which lines up with the red so that you still have that illumination. The dial itself has a rubberized-like texture. It's plastic, but it kind of feels rubberized. And that should provide enough grip for this to stay on so that you can turn it and it doesn't slide around or anything or come off. So we'll pop these on now. I've cleaned up the dials. We'll pop these on and see what they look like. Okay, there they are installed. I just gave them a firm push on, but they're not going to go anywhere, so you can rotate them with confidence. They're not going to pop off or slide around. And I just turned the lights on so that you can see the illumination. The red markings are a little bit difficult to see because it doesn't actually shine through, so that is not actually clear, as I discovered. So depending on the angle, the red markings are a little bit difficult to see. So there we have it, a solution to a problem that shouldn't exist, but at least there is a solution. And in the event that you decide to sell the car down the track, you can simply remove these and the chrome trim will still be intact, which will look good for any potential buyers. I'll leave the video there. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you. And as always, thanks for watching and subscribing. Cheers.